Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about salt. But first, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Alrighty, salt. Salt is probably the oldest form of currency around. Back in ancient days, salt traders, basically, they were the big boys of the trading business because they had salt. Everybody needed salt, and salt was something that wasn't readily available all the time. Yes, if you live near the ocean, you could create salt, bring city water up and let it evaporate out. But that was a long, drawn-out process, and salt mines were a big deal. And even in modern days, salt is very important for preserving food, making the food taste better, and hey, if it comes to it, salt will once again become a good barter item. So make sure you have plenty of salt in your preps. Just a word of warning, iodized salt at the max lasts at the very max 5 years. Non-iodized salt doesn't go bad. All right. And the only reason why they add the iodine to the salt is because people weren't eating right, and they were saying, oh, everyone's got an iodine deficiency. Oh, we need to do this. We need to add it to the salt. Well, they're finding out nowadays that, that much iodine isn't, needed, because if you eat properly with your proper fruits and vegetables, you're getting the iodine in certain vegetables. Dairy products have it as well. So if you eat properly, you're going to be getting plenty of iodine in your diet anyways. So make sure you have plenty of salt stored away. They have it, I know at Sam's Club and Costco, you get the Morton table salt. It's iodine free, 25-pound bags. And you can, get several of those and just start stocking them up. Don't overindulge in adding salt to your meals unless you're working really hard and sweating out the salt. So you need to take care on salt usage, but you need to have plenty of it in your stores, in your preps. You don't want to be caught short. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.